What's going on, XRP Army? Welcome back to the channel. So this is a very, very crucial time period right now for XRP. It is very crucial from the price standpoint. It has been a rough week in crypto. Honestly, I'm so glad to be hanging out in Lake Tahoe this week, just kind of breaking away. And we need to do this sometimes. Sometimes you get so fixated on what's going on. You get so into what the market's doing. It can really affect you. Sometimes you just have to pull back, right? Sit back, relax, and just get away from it. As they say in crypto, go touch grass or something like that. Get outside. And it's definitely been a week to do that in crypto. And XRP has felt the heat, much like the rest of the market. But we've talked about this before. This is, in my opinion, strictly manipulation. These are the whales and the institutions basically keeping prices at bay in order for them to get in at better price points. But I do want to dive into the chart in this video, give you guys some insight in terms of where we are. Despite all this bearish momentum we've seen here in the past week, XRP has actually hung in there pretty well comparatively to the rest of the market. And we'll take a look at that. We'll give you guys some things to look forward to. All I ask, guys, hit that subscribe button. It's crazy to me. Like 50% of the people who watch my channel every single month, they're not subscribed, right? So they may stumble across a video once or twice, but I'll promise you guys this. I'm here every single day giving you guys my best effort, putting out the best news I can and information. So, and we're not a hypey channel. Like we're not somebody who's just going to say, hey, oh my God, XRP is going to $1 million. And we give it to you real. Like we give it to you good, bad, ugly, whatever it is. We're going to bring it to you guys every single day. So make sure you guys click that subscribe button and hit the like button. All right, without further ado, let's dive in because we're looking at the price. We'll take a look at the chart here in just a minute. But XRP has faced increasing selling pressure. A lot of this coming from retail investors. People are getting scared. They're getting fearful. There's been a lot of negative news kind of surfacing. And honestly, if you take a step back, we have way more to be excited about, way more to be bullish about than bearish. And it says here, XRP investors are skeptical right now as the prices continue to flash a sell signal. We'll take a look at some of those indicators because it's not all bad, especially when you zoom out on the chart. But this bearish signal stems from a combination of falling prices and declining investor participation. We have seen fewer active addresses on the network. Buying momentum appears to be weakening. But this is only for the time period, right? Like that we're in right now. Things can flip and change on a dime in crypto. All it's going to take is a couple of these ETFs to actually be pushed through, which I think they will be. The one thing I think we need to happen in order for these XRP ETFs to go through, which again are big because they're going to bring so many more investors in to XRP on the institutional side. But before we can have that, we got to have the lawsuit over. Okay. Paul Atkins is stepping in his new role as the SEC chair. I think this is going to be one of the first items that he's going to tackle, right? This Ripple versus SEC lawsuit that has been going on since December 2020. It's absolutely sickening to be honest with you. It kept XRP out of the last bull market. Now we already saw a 6x. Keep that in mind too. We saw a 6x the day Donald Trump got reelected. 30 days after that, we saw a 6x in the price of XRP. So that's the other thing people have to realize, right? We have to have some type of cool down period right now. Like it's good for the market. You can't go up exponentially forever. It's not how the markets work. You can go up significantly like we did back in November through December. And then you have to kind of plateau, right? And this plateau period has a lot of people nervous. It's taking out the weak hands, right? A lot of these new people who come into crypto, they don't understand the volatility. They get scared, they leave. And it sucks, but it's part of the game. The key is if you're new to crypto, stay the course, stick it out, because eventually we get that volatility to the upside in our favor, right? And we need some of these catalysts to come through. First and foremost, the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. Secondly, I think the ETFs. And then obviously we're going to have regulatory clarity throughout this regime that we're currently in. We have never had a pro-crypto president like Trump, but we have to be patient. It's not the only item they're tackling, right? I mean, they're dealing with some big issues like, fentanyl coming across the country, illegal immigration. Like these are kind of first on the hierarchy. And then obviously, eventually digital assets, crypto regulation, all of that will kind of, come to fruition. But if we take a look at the chart here, guys, and if you haven't hit that like button, definitely do that for us. Definitely helps us out, pushes us out in the algorithm. But this is the weekly chart. So you guys can see back here on the weekly, this is the week of November the 5th, which was absolutely insane. Our buy signal right here flashed at 55 cents. We exploded to $3, over $3. If you guys were using XT Algo, my trading indicator, you were all over this. You got 400% returns on this investment. So if you guys haven't signed up with XT Algo, this is a great opportunity to do so. We are actually running an amazing special right now, 32% off forever when you use the discount code XTLove. We're doing a little thing for Valentine's Day. We like to do this around the holidays. The coupon code is XTLove. There's a link down below in the description. It's only available until February 14th. So make sure you guys get in this now because this will not last forever. Okay. You only got about 6 days left on that. So make sure you guys check it out. But you guys can see here on the weekly, as bad as things look right now and as choppy as the market is, we were at we were down below $2. We were at 178. We're back to 241, right? And this is what I mean. When in doubt, zoom out, right? Look at the big picture. Don't look at one instance. Don't look at 1 hour. Don't look at one day, right? Don't look at one news story. If you're going to be a long-term investor in XRP or a long-term investor in crypto in general, you've got to have this 30,000 feet above viewpoint, right? You've got to be able to look at this from high above in order to really have a chance in this market. Otherwise, you're just going to be flushed out. Okay. So I appreciate you guys all for watching the video. Hang in there. Things are going to get better, and we will see you guys in the next one.